Saving money is as easy as this. Change your own air filter, especially in the Ford Maverick. I'm going to show you where to buy it on Amazon. I'm going to show you how to take off your glove box. I'm going to show you how to take out the old one and put in a new one and close everything back up. This whole thing shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, and it's going to save you $100. Open up your glove box. Make sure you empty your glove box. I haven't before, so ask me how I know. There's 2 catch tabs. One on this side and one on this side. Push them both in. The whole glove box removes and the piston comes out. So there are 2 clips, one on this side, and 2 at the top. I've already undone them. They're very easy to pull. Push this down, and there's your cabin air filter. All you're going to do is you're going to push it in with your fingers, pull it out. Look how nasty that is. This is your new air filter by Decal Auto. Check out my affiliates link in my Amazon, listed in the description below. I like this one specifically because of this little tab that's on it. And you want to make sure that the carbon activated filter is facing down. It says it right there, facing down. And then this side says facing up. Of course, it's upside down. So all you're going to do, make sure that the tab is facing out toward you. Slide it in and close everything back up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now those are all back into where they need to go. Very simple. Grab your glove box, feed this into the piston right over here. Now it's back in. Take all your crap that you normally leave in your glove box. Now, as you can see, I had a little friend. He's no longer with us. However, that being said, you should change this every 10,000 miles. I know it says 15 to 20 on the Ford website. It's not. This cost me $20 on Amazon. The dealership's going to charge you anywhere between $125 and $150. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and remember, it's about the drive.